Good morning, guys. Here's my baby big chick chick. You wanna go down? Yeah, come here. Go down. You wanna go down, love, love? You don't flap your face. Your wings on me. Okay. You guys scared? Oh no, you cannot go out. Okay. You hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up, because your sister's gonna follow you. Hurry up. Sige na, good. Oh, no. Ay, not my phone. Come on, hurry up. Oh, they don't want. She doesn't want to go out yet, guys. Oh, someone's speaking my phone again. Please don't break the screen of my phone, guys. Come on. Time to go out. You ready to go out? Yeah. Hurry up. Your sister's gonna go out. Oh no. You better hurry up. Come on. You wanna go out? You wanna go out? Go out already. Ay! The small one. You guys wanna go out? Alright, you're gonna go out. I'm gonna open the house. Ay, sorry. I'm not gonna grab you first because you are going to fly. Hi, baby. We're going out. Come on. You don't wanna go out? Come on. Come out. Let's go. Yeah. Ay. What's wrong with you guys? You don't wanna go out? You don't wanna go out. Out there. You're heavy. Excuse me. Ouch. Who's next? Who's next? Oh my god, someone poops. I can smell it already. Come on. Oh my gosh. It's not ready to go out. Scratch me now. There it is. Okay. Come here, come down. What are you doing over there on my phone? Alright, love. Now you're left by yourself. Ah, I got you. Oh my gosh, your poop's so stinky. Yeah.